Hello, and welcome to today's tips and tricks. Today we'll be looking at small faces, how to locate them, and how to deal with them on your model. So after clicking small faces, you can see that we really haven't found anything on the model. So you might want to change some of the options to look for a different size. So here we can see that we've located some of the small faces. Now here, instead of clicking on that to fix it, you can see that in these indented text, there's several small faces there. So we probably want to remove all of them. So we can switch to faces in the remove group and remove all of these little areas. And if you'd like, you can go to a heads up view and we'll just box select all of these different areas on the model. And once we have them, we can click the button and remove them. So now let's go back and see if there's any other small faces to deal with. So here we might want to rotate the model or zoom into each location. So here we can see that there's a small face there we might want to remove. And there's several ways to deal with it. We could click on it to get rid of it, and that'll go through and merge that to the face next to it because they're both tangent. So that's one option for how to deal with it. But let's undo, because we might want to just remove the hole that's going through that round. So I can box select it, we'll add the cylinder face to our selection, and again remove them. So now we have a nice clean round group in that area. And we could do the same thing on the other side to deal with the other one. But now let's go and increase the size and see if we have added any more to our selection. And we can continue increasing them until we see more that might be detrimental to our mesh. And the first thing I usually do is try to click on them and see if I can remove them. And if that's the case, I'll box select to remove larger groups. So here we can remove all of them and click the check mark to remove them from the model. I usually like to investigate each area before I just decide to fix them. So in this area, you can see that I probably can't just remove that face, or even merge it with the face next to it. So in this case, I could either select on both of these faces to remove them both, which will extend that upwards, or if I undo, we can go back to our Design tab, and I'll use Pull, where I could pull that face one way or the next, or I'll use Up to snap it up to this top face. Thank you very much for watching.